been sharing Dollar Tree content for a long time, and I have gone through my fair share of trying lots of different Dollar Tree products, and in today's video I want to share with you what I think are hands down some of the best organizational items that you can get at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. Specifically, I'm going to be focusing on some kind of like hidden gem Dollar Tree organizing items. I feel like we all know about the locker bins and the gold wire baskets and the shoe boxes, and of course these are all great, but I want to share some products that I think we don't always see or think about, as well as some little hacks you can do to take unlikely Dollar Tree items and use them to organize. Alright, let's kick off with the Dollar Tree product you might not think of organizing with, but that is the wire plant hangers. You can actually combine multiple of these together to make a tiered hanging basket. So the hanging portion is actually a clip. You can like clip it on and off of the wire basket. So I use that to my advantage to just clip a second basket onto the bottom. I combine 3 baskets this way, and you can pull off like any excess chain you don't need. I hung this in my son's room to hold spare stuffed animals in his reading corner, but obviously this can be used for like fruits and veggies in your kitchen, or like you could actually put houseplants in here if you wanted. I just think it's such an easy little trick to combine multiple baskets. Let's talk about drawer organizers. I would say hands down my favorite drawer organizers that you get from the Dollar Tree are these ones. They come in a couple of different shapes. They come in like a square, a longer rectangle, and then like a skinnier one. I love these though because they have the rubber like grip bottoms. And then they also have like the little rubber bottoms here too as well. So I just feel like they sit really nice inside of your drawers to organize junk drawers, to organize bathroom drawers, office drawers, just like whatever. All right, next up is these clear organizers. I got a bunch of these because I have some ideas of what I'm going to be doing with them, but I'm sorry, these remind me so much of like the Home Edit ones, which are way more expensive. My big pet peeve with a lot of like plastic organizing products from the Dollar Tree is sometimes when you feel it, like I'll literally go around the Dollar Tree and like touch stuff. Some of it feels just so flimsy, like you know it's gonna break. There's that certain feeling you can feel when you touch certain whatever. I don't know if I'm sounding like a crazy person, but what I love about these is they feel sturdy enough. They don't feel flimsy. They don't feel like they're just gonna crack. I love the clear look. You can easily see what's in them. My thought with these was to do some fridge storage, because you can just put labels right on here. You can either use your Cricut or get like the letter stickers right from the Dollar Tree, and you can label these right up. They would look great in desks, bathrooms, pantries. I just think they're such versatile pieces. Now, since my kitchen is still under renovation, I can't show you the fridge or pantry plans I had for this just yet, but I did use these to give the junk drawer in my daughter's nursery a facelift. This is so much better. It wasn't technically a junk drawer. It actually had a purpose. It just become so unorganized that it looked like a junk drawer, but not anymore. Alright, this next item is not necessarily an organization item, but you can use it to hack into an awesome organizational item. I was totally inspired by Catherine from Do It on a Dime. She did something sort of similar with these, but these are the napkin holders. I've done a few different hacks with these. I've shared using them, like if you put 2 of them together like this to create a paper organizer, which is so good for your desk or like organizing paper in the kitchen. But she had actually created a little shelf with 2 of them, and I thought about creating 3 of them together. So I'm taking 3 and I'm gonna zip tie them together, and when you put them together they create the cutest little scalloped detail, and I just immediately thought how this would be so cute in a kid's room to display like seasonal or different themed books. Such a cute organizational item. Now, whenever I share Dollar Tree DIYs, I always get questions about where I go for my additional craft supplies, like spray paint. Usually I stick to Walmart or Michael's, using coupons at Michael's, or sometimes Amazon if I need to, but the one thing that I always make sure I do after I shop is I upload my receipts into Fetch Rewards, who is cool enough to sponsor today's video. Fetch Rewards is an app that allows you to snap photos of receipts from anywhere you shop or upload digital receipts from Amazon or online shopping, and then you get points for different items you purchase. You basically just get points for buying things that you would have already been buying. You can save up these points and redeem them for things like gift cards to all sorts of places like Amazon, Michael's, or Walmart. So basically you're just getting money to shop at places you already shop. And because Fetch is cool enough to sponsor today's video, I have a code for you you. When you click the link in my description box down below, you can use the code BFCoffee, and then when you scan your first receipt, you'll get an additional 3,000 points just because you used my code. All right, next product might surprise you, but this is the cooling racks. You get these in the kitchen, and let me show you how you can use these to do some organizing. Okay, so all I'm doing with this drying grate, I'm using 2 command hooks, and you can attach to the wall. I'm adding it to the side of our refrigerator, and then you can use like S hooks to hang keys or different items on these. You can also use clothespins. I got these colorful clothespins at the Dollar Tree to use to like clip mail or important pieces of paper. It's just such like a great, easy little organizational rack. And what I love about this is you could buy a couple of them and like combine them together to create something bigger. Along with a mudroom, it would also look great in like craft rooms or in offices. All right, next product is this little, what do they call it? A wall mount wire hook. I actually have the over-the-door wire hook that I got from the Dollar Tree a bajillion years ago. It was hanging on the back door of the door that goes down to our basement. And like, I'm telling you, we hung heavy winter coats on this, backpacks on this, snow pants on this. That $1 over the door hanger held up amazing. But I love that they now have the wall mounted ones because I think it gives you a little more versatility on where you can hang it. And I feel like it's a little less obtrusive that it's not like hanging over the door. Now these come in white, which is really great if you just got a white door, but I also love this because a quick coat of spray paint, like give this a nice coat of gold spray paint or a matte black, and you can really make it match the decor of your room a lot more. And I feel like even just giving it a quick coat of a spray paint makes it look a little more high-end. Now, if you want to take this even a step further, I got these amazing wooden beads from the Dollar Tree craft section, which by the way is a total find. I've never seen these wooden craft beads. I was totally blown away, but I just hot glued one of these to the end of each hook. I just think it makes it look a little more finished, like if you were going to plan on spray painting this. And then I figured since I was already at it with the hot glue, I was all jazzed up about my wooden bead find from the Dollar Tree. I continued this all the way around the entire frame of the hanger, and I went for a matte black finish, and I was so pleased with how this came out. What an adorable little wall hanger that cost me less than $4 to make. It took me 1 hanger and 4 strings of beads. Another small item organizer, they have like just the 3 compartment ones. I love these for using for like beauty type stuff. So bobby pins, hair ties, and then I put the little hair ties. So I put like my big hair ties, my little hair ties, and then my bobby pins. It's just literally to me the perfect solution for those like 3 little items that always get lost, and they're always like sprayed around and all sprayed around. They're not sprayed, what are they? But they're always like getting lost in all sorts of places. It's got a little lid that clips on. You can keep it right in your drawer, right in your bathroom. This is definitely my favorite Dollar Tree product for organizing that. In the kids section, you can get these little toy organizers, which are essentially, they're called like toy collector showcases, but these are such amazing like small compartment organizing items. These would be so great for organizing for craft items. They would work awesome for organizing for jewelry. It locks closed. It's got the top that's attached. I love it when the tops are attached because then you never have to worry about losing them. Really great small parts organizing tin. All right, but that does it for today's video. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching. Remember to be kind to yourself and to others, and I will see you all in my next video.